Hi, just from Purely Beauty here. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a dusty rose makeup look. And also, as I'm doing this, I'm going to be sharing with you all the information you need to know about the YouTube extension Tubebuddy. So I'm not being paid to make this video, nor are Tubebuddy paying me to make this video, but I do have an affiliate link that will pop up just here. And what an affiliate link is if any of you buy Tubebuddy, or if you install it for free on your computer, I will get a bit of income from the profits. And all this means is if you install Tubebuddy through my link down below, then I get paid and it goes into you supporting me and my channel, which I appreciate so much for all of my subscribers out there and that are supporting me already. So you can see the link for Tubebuddy that just popped up on the screen, or you can go and install it down in the description bar below. So what is Tubebuddy? In this video, you will find out what Tubebuddy is and how you can get more views on your YouTube channel. So how you get started and how you can download Tubebuddy is if you go to the Google Chrome store or Firefox, whatever browser you use on your computer. Tubebuddy works on both. Then search Tubebuddy and it should be the first option that comes up. Then you'll see it will say add extension to Chrome or Firefox. And then once you've done that, it will add into your extension bar. Then after you have installed, you want to just use my link down below and it will take you directly to Tubebuddy's website. And if you use my link, then you'll be supporting me and I will get paid a bit of an income from the profits. So now you're on Tubebuddy's website, it's time to sign up. And all you have to do to sign up is connect your Gmail Google account to your YouTube account, because this extension is going to be used on your YouTube channel. So it has to be connected to your YouTube channel in order for it to work. And it's all free, so you don't have to pay when you sign up for Tubebuddy. It's completely free. So it's free and you can use it to your heart's content freely. If you want to upgrade, you can. And I will just show you on the screen the free plans that Tubebuddy provides for you, and I'll explain each level now. First level is free. So the first level is the free version, and with this version you still can have access to the Keyword Explorer or the upload checklist, but the thing is, it will be a limited amount of things you can use with this free level. So when you upload a video with recommended tags, you'll have access to only free recommended tags. And if you want more, you will have to unlock the paid for versions to unlock more tags, and in the Keyword Explorer there are certain sections you can't access until you upgrade. So if you like how the free version works, that's great. If you want it for more of a full-time use and to get the full benefit out of Tubebuddy, one of the paid versions are a good option for you. So now let's talk about the free levels of the paid version. You have Pro, which is what I'm currently in. And then you have Star, and then finally you have Legend. So these plans range from $9 a month, $19 a month, and $49 a month. And if you didn't know, to the side you can see discounts that you can get, and you'll see a box that says if you have less than 1,000 subscribers, you'll get a 50% discount if you just tick that box there. So the main thing I use with Tubebuddy is the Keyword Explorer, and I use this to see how good a keyword is that I want to use in my next video and how good my titles are. And so what I usually do is type in the next video idea I have for my next video. So for example, if I wanted to search makeup look, from there I can see how it ranks, and now you can see 3 different sections that are on the screen. Now you can see the overall score, the score analysis, and the related and most common video tags. So on the overall score, you'll have a weighted and unweighted section that will tell you how well your video will be ranked for the title you've typed in the search. So if it's red, the bad title, but if it's in the yellow or green, your video will be ranked high from the title you've used above. What does weighted and unweighted mean? Well, weighted means what is specific to your channel, and unweighted is just general search. So I usually use weighted as it's specific to my channel. Mainly when you're doing this, you want to aim for it to say excellent, good or very good, not fair or poor if you can help it. So underneath you can see the score analysis, and this is broken down into two sections: search and competition. So search tells you from 0 to 100 just how popular your video title is. If it's down in the red section, it's not that popular, versus up in the greens and yellows means it's pretty good. And then you will see underneath the competition, and this will show you how many other people on YouTube are using that video title and competing against your video. So if the dial is close to the red part, it means it has lots of competition, whereas if it's closer to the green, means you have not much competition with your video idea. So in the related section, this will show you other titles that you can use that may give you a better score and search ranking. And the last thing here is if you click on common tags, that will be tags that people use most of the time on a video similar to yours. So that's everything you need to know about the Keyword Explorer. Also, another great thing with Tubebuddy that will help you grow will be go on to other people's videos and watch one of their videos. For example, I'm going on to Monica Natasha's video, who is one of my YouTube friends here. She deserves all the support that comes her way. She is the one that kind of inspired me to do this makeup look too. But anyway, on the side here you can see Tubebuddy's extension, and it shows you their channel analytics, and as you scroll down further you can see their tags, and if you click show search rankings you can see what tags ranked best for their video, and you can simply click on their tag and see what tags they use that could work for you too. Okay, so when you're uploading, this is what the page looks like with Tubebuddy's extension, and it will give you tips and tricks on the best practices for you to do while uploading. So now, as you scroll down, there will be a section named Recommended Tags. This is for the pro version of Tubebuddy. With the free version, you get this, but only with free recommended tags in this box. So that brings this video to a close, and I hope you got value out of this and learned a new makeup look, and while getting a better understanding on how Tubebuddy works and how it can benefit you in your YouTube journey. And thanks ever so much for watching, and I hope you got your weekly dose of purely beauty. See you later.